Wow.
It's my Play-Doh.
So many fidgets.
It's a white one.
Yeah, Play-Doh, these little squishamallows, like mini ones. Got a whole bunch of poppets. We got these here. A whole bunch of glow sticks. We got these balls. They light up. These are the ones AJ got. This is a red shirt, a ducky, a pineapple. We got this putty. This putty. This one. This one looks really fun and really cool. It's a surprise inside and it glows in the dark. And there's a whole bunch of glue to make slime. There's like glitter glue. Uh-oh. Yeah. There's a whole bunch of glitter and paint. Who's that for?
It's for Fidget.
Aww.
Puppy cat.
Wow, look at everything you got. That's a lot. You got some new cute little mini poppets. So cute. Let's open them. These are the poppets we got. This is a shirt, a ducky, a pineapple, and a butterfly. Which one's your favorite, AJ?
Yes. Pineapple.
Pineapple? They're so cute. This is so cute to have like in your purse or your book bag. I love it so much. And now we're going to open this one. We already opened these. This is a little green ducky. Let me see that one. A panda. You like it?
Yeah.
It's so cute. And squishy. Pull it. Oh. We got a pink little penguin, I think. So cute. Squishy. So squishy. Pull it, AJ. Pull it. Whoa. Which one's your favorite toy? Which one's your favorite?
There's a green duck.
A green duck. Which one's your favorite?
There's a panda.
Yeah, I like the little penguin. That's my favorite one.
That's the favorite one.
Which one's your favorite?
That's a sheep.
Yeah, that's not a sheep. So cute. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.